Welcome to Dorman Products BMW steering shaft installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered hard by our technicians and will take approximately 1 to 2 hours to complete. Warning: if the lower section of the steering spindle is separated from the double joint or steering column, turning the wheel may cause damage to the steering column switch cluster. Remove the 3 screws attached to the trim panel located near the pedal assembly. Disconnect any components attached to the panel. Pull the panel from the vehicle. Move the rubber boot in order to access the upper section of the steering shaft. Open the hood and disconnect any bolts or connectors holding the air intake filter in place. Remove the air intake filter from the engine bay. Release the vacuum line from its brackets and move it out of the way. Unscrew the 2 bolts attached to the oil reservoir and move it out of the way. Mark the rotation of the air intake tube prior to removal. Loosen the clamp on the intake tube and pull the tube from the vehicle. With these components removed, the steering shaft can be accessed through the engine bay. Unscrew the bolt on the lower section of the steering shaft. Tech note: the steering wheel may need to be rotated in order to access this bolt. With the lower bolt removed, push the steering shaft upwards towards the steering column, allowing access to the upper bolt. Rotate the steering wheel and belt it into position in order to prevent movement while unscrewing the bolt. Unscrew the upper bolt to free the steering shaft. Pull the steering shaft through the engine bay. The steering shaft may need to be loosened with a hammer or pry bar before it can be removed. Reinstall the new steering shaft by following these steps in reverse order. After installing, turn the steering wheel fully in both directions, making sure the airbag warning lamp does not light up. Finally, perform a steering angle sensor adjustment. If you have any questions about this installation or any others, our tech line is always there to help.